Our company, FRS Recruitment Agency, has been in business for about maybe 30 or 35 years. We have about 10 offices scattered throughout the country in all the major urban centres. And we deal with everything from IT to sales to marketing, business development, accountancy, finance, every possible type of role you can think of. And we're also in the rural centres like Kerry, etc., etc. Yeah, so I mean, it's been obviously so far today. It's been terrific. There's been plenty of candidates and plenty of opportunities to meet people. The event itself has been fantastic. There's been a lot of dialogue amongst many of the companies and the stall holders here as well, which is great. It's been a great opportunity to exchange business cards and meet people in various different types of industries. There's also Tech Connect next door, which is terrific as well, because we've been talking to a lot of smart companies and tech companies, etc.